One of the most common public safety assessments is the 911 CritiCall dispatcher test, screening potential 911 operators across the United States and Canada. Hi, my name is Arbel, and in this video I'm going to take you through the CritiCall test and show you how to prepare for it in the most accurate way. Let's begin! If you're applying for a 911 dispatcher position or as an emergency communications officer, chances are you'll have to pass the famous CritiCall test. This computerized pre-employment test aims to measure your dispatching abilities using different tasks similar to those of a 911 call taker. You do not need any prior knowledge to do the test. However, preparing for it is essential. Although the full CritiCall exam includes over a dozen different sections, you will not be expected to complete all of them on your test day. You will encounter around 8 to 10 test sections, specifically selected by your future employer based on the preferences of the state or county where your test is held. The CritiCall test sections may include decision-making, data entry, call summarization, cross-referencing, vocalization summary, character comparison, memory recall, prioritization, mathematics, probability, reading comprehension, spelling, and sentence clarity. Some of these sections may also appear as audio or vocal tests. Let's go over some examples of the more frequent CritiCall test questions. The best way to demonstrate how hard the CritiCall test can be is to show you a practice session from our preparation. This is the data entry section where you are tested on your ability to take various pieces of information and place them into the correct data field. Sounds easy, right? As you can see, it's not just about typing. Throughout the test, you are presented with emergency scenarios and you must choose which agency should respond. Your options are police, fire, emergency medical service, or utility. This part of the CritiCall test is called decision making. These scenarios can be presented in other sections too, to imitate the multitasking environment of a call taker. Not sure who to call? Don't worry, in our CritiCall dispatcher practice test you will find the exact rules on how to decide which agency should be alerted. And remember, you are not tested only on your accuracy, but also on your KPH, keystrokes per hour. One more popular CritiCall section is the map reading test. Try to answer the following question, a sample from our CritiCall practice material. Notice, an arrow painted on a street indicates that traffic is only allowed to travel in that same direction along the entire street. Roads colored in blue are to be paved in the future. The question is, a waste collection vehicle is driving down 50th Avenue on its waste collection route. The vehicle turns left 2 blocks after 55th Street, then turns left again after 3 more blocks. The vehicle then turns left at the first intersection and empties the nearest waste container. Now, which of the following locations is the least likely to be using the aforementioned waste container? A. The parking lot. B. The dormitory. C. The mental health facility. Or D. The city college. Pause the video now and try to answer the question as quickly as possible. The correct answer is choice A. The parking lot is the least likely to use the container. The waste container is close to all of the complexes except for the parking lot. Moreover, there is another container closer to the parking lot. After extensive research and following customer feedback, it's safe to say that your test preparation should include at least the following: typing or keyboarding practice, English practice, data entry practice, reading maps practice, and multitasking practice. At JobTestPrep, you can find preparation for all of these subjects and much more, covering almost all the different critical sections. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions or you want to add important information, don't hesitate to leave a comment. Good luck on your critical test!